Most respected Chief Minister Mamta Didi, respected Chief Minister Hemant Soren ji of Jharkhand, Honorable Ministers of the West Bengal Government, esteemed dignitaries, my dear friends from industry, Shri Sanjeev Goenka, Harsh Nevotia, Sajan Jindal, Sanjeev Puri, and all my colleagues from industry, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm good afternoon to each and every one of you. It has been my privilege and honor to participate in the 8th Bengal Global Summit 2025. At the outset, I offer my prayers to Ma Kali, the presiding deity of Bengal. It is also my bounden duty to pay tributes to all the great sons and daughters of the sacred land of Bengal, from Swami Vivekanand to Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, from Bankim Chandra Chatterjee to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, from Satyajit Ray to Hemanta Mukherjee. Bengal has produced towering leaders in spirituality, literature, arts, culture, and of course, patriotism. Bengal has always been a land of renaissance. Now Bengal is also witnessing a renaissance in economy and business. Friends, I come from the western part of India. It is generally believed that western states are leaders in economy and business. But this situation is changing rapidly. For proof, just look at this Global Business Summit. Mamta Didi, my heartiest congratulations to you and your government. What a splendid summit you have organized. Each time I come here, and I have come here for every summit from 2016, I think it cannot be better. But you have proved me wrong every single time. This summit is consistently becoming bigger and more prestigious. And today we have 20 global partner countries with us. My warm welcome to each and every one of our countries. And why is this so? Because I believe today Bengal means soaring vision. Today Bengal means mighty ambition. Today Bengal means efficient implementation. In short, Bengal under Mamta Didi means business. And Mamta Didi always means business, and business from her heart. What the Chief Minister promises, her team delivers, as Saurav said. This is the hallmark of a great leader. And in fact, she has been in office for nearly 14 years, means that Bengal has immensely benefited from policy continuity and her leadership. My dear Mamta Didi, your name Mamta stands for empathy or compassion. But Didi, in your name stands for a tireless leader. You are empathy and energy personified. Just now Mamta Didi told me she walks 64,000 steps. And then Sajan and I are sitting with her. I said, oh, 64,000 a week. That's okay. She said, no, it's 64,000 steps every single day. And that is her energy that she has. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayer Mukh Swargo Sukh. It translates to a mother's space is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond where a mother's love is considered sacred and divine. Empathy for the common people is the guiding principle on all your policies and welfare schemes. This is most striking seen in your initiatives for the education of the girl child, women's empowerment, and poverty alleviation. All of India needs this kind of inclusive and sustainable model of development so that no Indian is left behind and no region in India is left behind. Thank you for your leadership, Mamta Didi. Esteemed friends, in today's fast-changing world, India has become a beacon of growth and hope. Within this fast-changing India, Bengal has become a source of growth and hope. Therefore, it is the best time for investing in Bengal as we are marching towards leadership based on technology and the power of our youth. Bengal's strategic location and fast improving physical infrastructure gives the state an enviable edge. But the biggest asset of Bengal is its people. Over 100 million hard-working, extremely talented and highly cultured people. In the emerging era of knowledge economy, your state has a special advantage because Bengal has always been a land of super intelligent people. When natural intelligence is enhanced by the capabilities of artificial intelligence, there is no way that Bengal can fail, and no power on earth can stop Bengal's resurgence. Distinguished friends, Reliance's commitment to Bengal's all-around development remains unwavering. In 2016, when I first attended this summit, Reliance's investment stood below 2,000 crores. Today, in less than a decade, our investments in Bengal have increased 20 times and we are invested over 50,000 crores of rupees. Mamta Didi, we shall double this investment by the end of this decade. More importantly, our investments have created over 1 lakh direct jobs and spurred significant economic growth in West Bengal. Today, I want to make 5 specific commitments. First, digital infrastructure and services. Back in 2016, Jio opened its commercial operations from Calcutta, this very city, the city of joy. This auspicious launch has proved, Didi, very lucky for us. It not only triggered a digital revolution across the whole of India, it transformed India into a digital superpower. Today, Jio is not just the #1 digital services provider or the data company in India. It is the #1 data company in the world, and this started from Calcutta. By the end of 2023, Jio completed the fastest transnational 5G rollout in the world. Jio's network now covers 100% of Bengal's population. I am particularly thankful to the people and our customers in Calcutta city because they continue to maintain the record of the highest users of data in India on our Jio network. From the bottom of my heart, gratitude to each and every citizen of Calcutta who uses Jio. I am especially also pleased to state that Jio has enriched and transformed rural Bengal. 5G has enabled school children and college students to access high-speed internet for their studies. Jio is beaming the world of entertainment and sports into every home and every smartphone. As we speak, Jio is also building Bengal's first cable landing station in Digha, so that we have fiber connectivity directly into West Bengal. It will be commissioned early next year and will become a gateway for Bengal's digital leadership in eastern India. I mentioned earlier about the revolutionary power of artificial intelligence. AI is indispensable for India's transformation into a deep tech nation with advanced manufacturing capabilities. Jio is currently building the world's best AI infrastructure in India. Data centers are at the heart of AI infrastructure. It gives me great pleasure to announce today that we have modified our data center in Calcutta to a state-of-the-art AI-ready data center, and that will be ready in the next 9 months. Our fully indigenous 5G stack, coupled with rapid rollout of Jio Fiber and Air Fiber, will enable Bengal to use artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and other disruptive technologies to modernize every sector of its economy. This transformation will unleash new employment and entrepreneurial opportunities to millions in Bengal. Most importantly, I hope that Jio's AI infrastructure will attract the best minds in Bengal's diaspora to return to their state and start new enterprises and professions in their home state. Second, I turn to Reliance Retail. At present, we operate a network of over 1,300 stores in West Bengal, spanning an area of over 8 million square feet across 400 plus cities in West Bengal. We plan to expand our network to 1,700 stores in the next 3 years, operating 2.2 million square feet of warehouses in the state. Our new commerce and express delivery business has empowered lakhs of kiranas in the state by bringing them under the umbrella of modern retail. This has enabled them to increase their productivity and income and reap benefits of scale. Third, Reliance is deeply committed to encourage and expand Bengal's fabulous artisan economy. Swadesh, our new initiative, is supporting the priceless and incredible diverse heritage of India's art and craft. It provides a platform for the best in Bengal to make their products available all over India and now all over the world. For example, we are selling through our Indian and global retail and Swadesh stores, which we will open in London, New York and Paris, Bengal's finest Jamdani and Tant saris, Baluchari, Murshidabad, Bishnupur and Tusar silk saris, Kantha saris, muslin, as well as jute and khadi products made in Bengal. Similarly, in food products, we have partnered with several regional brands like Bisque Farm, Anmol Raja, City Gold, Prabhuji, and Biswa Bangla, which are household names in Bengal, but I believe that they will be popular names across India and the world, providing all these brands unprecedented distribution in India and globally. Fourth, Reliance's new energy initiatives will begin its operation in the end of 2025. It is our endeavor to make India the world's biggest manufacturing hub for clean and green energy. In this, Reliance would like to contribute to Bengal's green economy. Our motto is Solar Bangla for a Sonar Bangla, and we look forward to contributing with solar energy. Fifth, the Reliance Foundation is privileged to partner with the state government and serve in the Kalighat Temple renovation project. Mamta Didi, I have to thank you personally for giving us this opportunity to serve. Most of the excellent work is carried out by the state government and it has been done with the spirit of devotion. Our foundation remains committed to serving the needs of the state and contribute to various initiatives of the government in making the people's lives better. Dear friends, my family has a deep and reverential attachment to the Punya Bhumi of Bengal. Our investment in Bengal is not only financial. More importantly, it's an emotional investment. Most of it led because of our respect for Didi. As one of the leading private sector employers in Bengal, today I have both a recommendation and an appeal to make to potential investors, to those who are present here today and those who are not. Reliance has had a wonderful experience of doing business in this state. Mamta Didi is one of the most ablest administrators in India. With Didi at the helm, the business community receives a red carpet treatment in Bengal. Bountiful Bengal beacons you. So friends, come to Bengal and script new and beautiful chapters in Bengal's growth story. And the Honorable Chief Minister, Mamta Didi, once more I assure you that Reliance will always be a reliable partner. Your Bengal is our Bengal. Please count on us. Dhanyavad Didi, Dhanyavad Calcutta. Thank you so very much.
বাংলার রিলায়েবল সহযোগী বিনিয়োগকারী রিলায়েন্স সব শেষে মুকেশ আম্বানি এই ঘোষণাই করলেন। এছাড়াও পশ্চিমবঙ্গে বিনিয়োগের পর বিনিয়োগের ঘোষণা। কলকাতায় এআই ডেটা সেন্টার আগামী কয়েক মাসের মধ্যে। রিলায়েন্স রিটেল 1300 স্টোরস, বাংলায় 1700 স্টোরস হবে আগামী 3 বছরে। আর্টিসান ইকোনমি স্বদেশ নয়া প্রকল্প যা বাংলার শিল্প পৌঁছে দেবে, বাংলার শিল্পকে পৌঁছে দেবে একেবারে বিশ্বে। পশ্চিমবঙ্গ, তিনি পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষকে ধন্যবাদ জানালেন, কারণ পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সব থেকে বেশি গ্রাহক দিয়েছে জিওর, যে জিও গোটা বিশ্বে নাম্বার 1 ডেটা কোম্পানি বলে দাবি মুকেশ আম্বানির।